Living alone and eating well is extremely difficult, and I realized that very soon after moving out. That's why this video is for you. Let me give you some meal ideas to help you achieve your body goals this year. First one is this soup. I just roasted all vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, onion, garlic and ginger until it's brown and the edges are a little bit crusty. Then after cooling it down, I put it in the blender. Then take some oil, put this blend in it and stir it, and also add your spices. And that's so simple and done. Just take it in a bowl and garnish it with anything or everything. Add your protein source, paneer or chicken breast, anything that you like. I also eat some rice with it because I just enjoy it that way. Next one is a sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread and 50 to 80 grams of paneer. I didn't take that much because I have other sources of protein as well. Heat the bread with some butter until it's brown. Then also roast some paneer in oil or butter until it's brown. And just add it on the bread. I also add Szechuan sauce on my bread. Might be weird, but it goes well with it. I also add potato that I meal prepped earlier. Then I add chicken breast. I also meal prepped it before. And I use a cheese slice and just cover it up with the other slice of bread. You can also add lettuce or cucumber, of course, but I didn't have it that day, so I didn't use. It's really good and nutritious, and do not add extra bread. If this portion isn't enough for you, then add some extra filling in it, but keep control on eating bread slices. Now, third meal that I'm going to suggest is this chila. It is just chickpea flour and tomato, paneer, pepper and whatever seasoning you want. Just make the batter and cook it on pan in some oil. If you have tried it and you think it sticks to your pan, then you need to let your pan heat really well and then add some oil. And when the oil is hot, go ahead and put your batter on the pan. It can be a really good breakfast and it is protein rich. And also I take it with my coffee. Now, if you're craving something sweet, then make this cupcake recipe at home. I'm not expert at it, but it does require some correct measurements. So that is why I will put this recipe in the description of this video. But it is not unhealthy if you make it at home with clean ingredients. Next up is this chicken breast with rice. It is a classic big meal. If you don't eat chicken, then use paneer, of course. But to make your chicken or paneer look this good, you need to season it and leave it for 15 minutes. Then after that, you cook it in some oil until it's brown and smells good. Then add your spices and water because, of course, you need some gravy to go with your rice. It's really good with rice. It is a very versatile meal. You can use this chicken on top of anything like your soup or sandwich. And then at the end, I'm just taking everything that I meal prepped. I meal prep upma, so I have it here. I meal prepped potato and I have that here. I also added this omelette of 2 eggs just for some protein. It doesn't look good, but I swear it's clean and healthy, and it is definitely helping me achieve my body goal this year. Thank you for watching and I hope it helps you. Bye.